Hey my loves, so today we have a vlog and I'm pretty much excited for today's vlog because I'm actually shy and a bit nervous because I have never done this before. So I want to kind of head out to see and just spend time with myself. If you're new to the channel, you are so welcome. I am currently on a self-improvement, self-love journey where I basically am just trying to improve, love myself better, and things like that. So you might want to follow me and check out my channel. So today I want to head out. I've been planning this for like a month now. Not like planning, but like it has been on my mind to do this, but I just never do it because if you know me, you know that I am someone that doesn't like going out. And one of my plan for this whole journey is to go out more. So that's what I want to start doing. And I'm going to be going out to have lunch today by myself, like a solo date kind of vibe. And yeah, so like there are many reasons why you might want to, go on a solo date. A lot of people do this to spend time with themselves. A lot of people do this to get to know themselves. If you are someone who is an extrovert and you want to kind of just start getting to know yourself better, then this is something that you can do. Hey, focus. So this is something that you can do. But personally, as you guys know, that I really enjoy my own company. I can stay in all week and not go out of my house. But the main reason why I'm doing this is because I want to gain more experiences. I want to start leaving my comfort zone and start trying new things and loving myself better at the same time. I mean, if someone tells me right now, come out, let's go on a date, like I would go, right? And I just want to do that for me, not because someone is asking me, oh, let's go on a date. I want to start going on solo dates for me. So yeah, I just really want to step out of my comfort zone, to be very honest, and do things that I wouldn't usually do. So yeah, I'm just doing my makeup right now. I'm supposed to be filming a TikTok. Oh my god, I'm supposed to film a TikTok video about this because I really want to document this. But yeah, so the benefits of this, you get to know more about yourself, you get to spend quality time with yourself, you get to learn things about yourself when you just shut everybody out and spend time alone. If you are someone who doesn't have that alone time at home, you can definitely subscribe to this. So I'm a bit shy because this is something that I am not used to, but let's see how things go. So for someone like me who is I always like my space, I always like to be by myself, this is very strange for me, and I know that it's going to be very awkward because I'm just a woman who is sitting in the middle of a restaurant eating all by herself. And I just hope that they even allow me to go in with my camera because I really want to document this and I really want to be going on more dates like this. But it's really going to be difficult, and maybe if I figure out how to make it less difficult, I would share. But right now I know that I'm going to feel very uncomfortable because it's like my first time. I can't be saying I want to network and I want to do a couple of things and I'm just sitting at home doing nothing. Makes no sense. You need to put in the work, or like put in the effort, like you're going out with a date, like you're going out on a date with a guy, because Like, don't just do, oh, I want to spend time by myself, and you know, you just do it casually. Like, romanticize it. Like, that's the whole point. Be the main character. Like, the same way you would put in so much energy and time to dress up, you know, put on your makeup, because you are trying to, you know, go on a date with a guy. You should also try to do that for yourself as well. Okay, so that's just what I'm going to say. And I think I'm going for a very neutral look today, as usual. You know how I'm talking about how this is very awkward for me. I've been planning to do this for like a month now, and I'm just holding back. I've been holding back, and then today I said, okay, let's just do this. Let's go out today. And then tell me why, when I wanted to start making up, it started raining and everywhere got so dark. So I couldn't do that again, and then it stopped raining. I'm like, oh, okay, I still have some more time. Let me just quickly, you know, put on makeup, dress up, and head out. So that's what I'm doing now. But yeah. So anybody can do this, right? Anybody can do this. If you are single, if you are in a relationship, if you are married, if you have kids, if you are, you know, whatever, whoever you are, as far as you're a human being. Even guys should do, like, I think guys do solo dates. I don't know. Do they just go out on their own? I really don't know, but a lot of women now are really subscribing to this because they just, I mean, you can't be waiting on people to take you out. Like, treat yourself right. Treat yourself how you want to be treated. And I feel like you would be good. Like, treat yourself how you want a guy to treat you. Like, be the one to set the standard, so that when he comes, that's for the people that are, you know, searching, people that are, you know, looking forward to getting in a relationship with a guy. If someone comes into your life and you've already set the standard that, oh, see, I love myself scatter, like, I can do anything for myself, so you coming into my life, you need to top that standard that I have already set for myself. You need to keep up and even top that. That should even be the only competition we have. Like, you outdoing me outdoing you, you know, buying you stuff, like gifting you. Like, so you get to set the standard of how you want to be treated by treating yourself that way first. And then when someone comes into, like, your life, they meet a standard. And if they can't keep up to it, girl, if they cannot keep up to it, I mean, you might as well, you would want to decide. But personally for me, if you can't keep up to the standards that I am currently setting, nah, it's a no for me. It's a no for me. So the dates must happen and everything must move on smoothly. So yeah, I think I'm good with the skin work. We look flawless. Next, I'm just going to do my eyes and come back. So makeup is done. I'm just going to dress up real quick. I have two options. One is a gown, but I'm not comfortable in the gown because the chest is too open. And the second one is just a top and jeans. So I feel like I want to go with something that I'm going to be comfortable with. So let me just try it on and show you guys. So I'm set. That you can decide that you want to do when you are going on a solo date. I personally don't know what I want to do, but I have like a personal journal. Why is this thing so far? I have this journal. I have a physical journal and I have one on my phone for like easy, you know, updates and stuff. So that's what I'm going to be doing as well. So you can do that. What else can you do? I don't know, just sit down and reflect and just enjoy the whole environment. And yeah, so that's really what I'm going to be doing today. And I'm going to a hotel majorly because the places in, like, there are no serious fancy restaurants that I like in Port Harcourt. So I'm just going to the one that I am most comfortable with. I've had their meal before and it was really good, and aesthetics, it looks really nice.
Now I'm the only one for you, boy. You make what I call you.
Guys, from here, apparently they have a buffet for lunch. So I really like the ambience of this place, and that's why I actually chose to come here. I'm the only one in the restaurant. I wish I could show. Let me show you guys on my phone, and I feel very comfortable, and nobody's disturbing me. I'm literally living the life. To see if I can get a drink, but they don't have anything that I wanted. I don't take alcohol, so I think I'm done here. So I am trying to journal right now. Like I said, I have like 2 journals. I have one on my phone and I have one like physical. There are different things I write in both of them. So I have this particular one that I really wanted to write because I haven't updated this one. And looking back right now, what I wrote here and what I'm doing right now in my life, I'm so proud of me. Like, super proud. You guys will not understand where this is coming from, but trust me, I know, and I'm just really so happy. And I really enjoyed myself today. Look at who is going out of the house. I'm really so proud of myself. It's raining. This rain beat me and it's so cold. Anyways, I think I want to end this vlog here because I'm heading out to some other place right now. I know I should go home and, you know, continue the whole relaxing, but I have somewhere to be. So yeah, I just hope that this video pushes someone to start their solo dates. If you can, it doesn't have to be going out to get lunch or dinner. You can just go out and do anything that makes you happy. Watch a movie by yourself, whatever it doesn't have to even be expensive. So yeah, anything that really helps you spend time with yourself, I should be leaving right now, is what you should do. And I hope that this video was helpful. This is not a tips video. Why am I saying hope it was helpful? But I just hope that this inspires someone to really double down on their level up journey, on their self-love journey actually. But yeah, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. I would see you guys in the next one. Okay.